What's up, guys? It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another hair tutorial for you guys. Today the company I will be working with is called MyCrownedWigs. Here I'm just showing you the packaging, what the box looks like. Inside the package you get your bag with your wig with your information about the wig. It's a Brazilian curly wave 22-inch natural color medium cap. Next thing that comes is the hairnet that comes inside the wig. Then you have an adjustable strap. Then you have MyCrownedWigs brochure pamphlet. Next thing you have is a wig cap. This is the wig. As you can see, it's super gorgeous. On the inside, you have one comb up top, and then you have one comb in the back, also with adjustable straps. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our Airbrush Legs by Sally Hansen, and we're just going to put that on the inside of our lace just to make sure it matches our skin tone. This is what your lace should look like once you have applied your spray and cut the lace off. Now you're just going to take some scissors and customize the lace to your liking. Make sure everything fits according to your hairline. You don't want any extra lace because it will look visible when you go to install it with your Got To Be Glued or your gel. Now you're going to take your Got To Be Glued gel and your freeze spray and use both to adhere your wig. Now you're going to just take a rat tail comb and lightly press into the lace, which helps the glue dry and your hair not sticking to the lace at the same time. Next, you're going to take your powder, and I'm just going to use a brush that I have, and I'm just going to lightly press the powder into my hairline to make sure everything matches. You want to take a flat top brush and kind of just buff the powder into your hairline. Don't press down super hard. Alright guys, so this is what the lace is looking like after we have cut it and applied it with our Got To Be Glued. Again, and this is MyCrownedWigs. Again, this is their Brazilian Virgin Curly Wave. This is a natural color, medium cap, and it's a 360 wig. I did not pluck this unit at all. It comes pre-plucked, as you can see. All I did was bleach the knots, and I did not film a tutorial on that because I have one already on there. If y'all want to see an updated one, just let me know. This is how long it is on me. Comes to right at my waist. I am getting a little bit of shedding, but I think that's because, like I said, I did bleach the knot, and then I just cut some more of the lace. It's not really tangling, just catching a few snags like natural curly hair would. There is no product in this hair whatsoever. Super, super cute. All right, and for shedding, I just got all of this from shedding. All right, I'm just gonna take this spray bottle and just wet the hair. See, this is the texture. It's like it's not like a deep curl like it says. It's like a curl wave, like I'll say a Spanish wave. And this is how long it is on me wet. As you can see, comes down still to my waist. So that's also a plus. There isn't that much shrinkage with this hair like normal curly hair does. I'm going to take this mousse, and this is Virgo Curls Mousse. It's super hold, enriched with argan oil, and it's alcohol free. So this is what it looks like, so you guys can see. And I'm actually just going to stand back for this process. You're just gonna take about this much. And we are going to scrunch up with the hair. My hairline, because I won't be wearing baby hairs, stays intact. I'm going to take a little bit of freeze spray and then my hot comb. Tell me what you guys think. I think it's super, super pretty and super, super simple. This should be a go-to look for if you're like in a rush, or you know, you don't have much time and you don't want to straighten your hair or actually do like curls. So this is, again, MyCrownedWigs. This is their 20-inch 360 curly wave unit. I did not pre-pluck the hairline. The hairline came pre-plucked. All I did was bleach the knots and then put some makeup on my lace and on my cap. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.